Hello everyone, this is purnima and today I would like to do this night out tutorial which is easy, sophisticated but smoky and sexy at the same time. So starting with the eyebrows, I'm going to take BHcosmetics Shade and Define Duo in shade Ebony. I'm just going to fill in the brows covering any sparse areas, staying in my natural brow shape with a slight arch. With MAC Stick Concealer, I'm going to clean and sharpen the edges of my eyebrows. I'm going to apply MAC Pro Longwear Concealer as an eyeshadow base with my trusty Micro Beauty blender and buff it up with translucent powder. Doing this helps eyeshadows to stay in place, avoid creasing, and can also help to boost the vibrancy of eyeshadow colors. So today I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow palette in 35N. I'm going to start with the transition color on the crease and inner and outer lid of my eyes. I'm using a short stroke of windshield motion. Now I'm going to take this medium beige color to buff out the harsh edges of transition color that we used on the crease. For this, I'm going to use circular motion with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to pack up this dark brown color over my inner and outer lid in a dabbing motion. We don't want it to go overboard as it is to contour the eyes and give some depth and definition to the eyes. Now I'm going to take Trust Fund from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and apply only in the middle lid to give the pop-up effect to the whole look. I'm going to go back with the transition color and blend the harsh lines, and again go back with the dark brown color, maintaining the pigmentation. Now for the face, I'm going to take this Fit Me foundation, which is my current favorite. I'm going to apply it with a wet sponge. And then I'm going to apply this MAC stick concealer in shade medium and blend it with Micro Beauty Blender. Now, taking my Holy Grail Smashbox contour palette, I'm going to bronze my cheekbones, jawlines and hairlines. Then I'm going to take the cool toned shade from the same palette and just apply it in my cheekbones to give some more depth and dimension to my face. I'm going to apply this blush on my cheeks, blending the bronzer. Now, contouring my nose with the same contour palette. To bake my concealer, I'm going to take my current favorite Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. After a few minutes, I'm going to take off the excess and set with the translucent powder from Coverfx, avoiding the blush as it tends to lighten the pigment. Now, taking this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trendsetter, which is a nude brown, it makes the whole look very sophisticated. Finishing up with my Ofra highlighter on my cheeks, nose bridge and tip of my nose. That's all for this easy night out makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.